Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at the car system installation. Today we're going to show you the Blackvue DR750S two-channel camera installed on a Mazda CX5 2017. The two-channel camera from Blackvue has one camera in the back, one in the front. The rear camera is attached to the rear windshield, and the front camera is in the front windshield. Now the system is connected to the vehicle power. We do not connect it to the fuse box. Again, if you put wires in the fuse or something, it is an easy job, but it's not good. It can fall out, it can overload the fuse, or it can do any damage. So everything in the vehicle is actually connected, hardwired to the vehicle. You will not be able to see any of the wiring. It's clean and nice. Even if you open a fuse box, you will not see any of the wiring. There's nothing in here, nothing that is visible, nothing that you can see, nothing that is used. Again, proper dash installation will protect your vehicle in the sense of wiring, electronics, any power issues, but also will work with no issues for a long time. Dashcam's installation can always be found at Car System Installation. Click on the top left corner to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.